If a well pump is running but not building pressure, there are several possible reasons for this issue. A malfunctioned pressure switch is one potential cause, as it is responsible for turning off the pump once it reaches its pressure limit. If the switch is faulty, the pump will not function properly, resulting in a failure to build pressure. And in this case, replacement of the pressure switch is necessary. Another possible reason is a problem with the pressure tank, which is essential for maintaining consistent water pressure throughout the plumbing system. Issues such as a faulty pressure gauge, a clogged valve, or a malfunctioning pressure relief valve can lead to the well pump's inability to build pressure. And it is recommended to consult a qualified expert to diagnose and resolve the problem. Additionally, a faulty pump motor can also be the cause, as it is crucial for generating the required pressure for the well pump to function properly. In this instance, it is advisable to have a qualified expert check the pump motor and repair it as needed. Understanding these potential causes can help in identifying and fixing the issue, ultimately restoring the well pump's ability to build pressure.